Hi, greetings, good morning dear friends, how are you today? Well, if you're like me, a lot of my friends, a lot of my yoga students, meditation clients, we spend an awful lot of time just rushing from A to B, rushing for the school run, rushing to go to work, rushing for the tube, rushing, I don't know, to go shopping after work. And it's like sometimes we're so busy rushing everywhere. That expression, you forget to slow down and smell the coffee and you miss out the important things in life. So what I'd like to do today is just to invite you to slow down. As you're watching this video, use it as an opportunity to remind yourself that we can have everything, but we can't always do it at the same time. We can't always do everything all at the same time. And there comes a time in your day where you just really need to pause, to call your energy back to you, to breathe and to give thanks. So, I'm Ntathu from Yoga Inspires in London. And one of the ways that I really find it easier to sort of slow down is when I'm out for my morning walk, my daily walk. There's something about being out in nature that it's easier for me to find that rhythm. And what I'd like us to do is just to practice a really simple walking meditation. And this is a really great practice because during the week I'm going to be sharing about 3 different walking meditations you can do. And they're all taken from my new book, which is due to be released tomorrow. But I just want to kind of just show you that even if you're someone who struggles to be still, struggles to sit down, struggles to find time to breathe, to smell the coffee, smell the roses, even to get up and move the body, it's easy. We can find ways in our day just to pause and to find that sort of sense of stillness and calm. Hang on, my water's getting stuck here. So this simple walking meditation, you can do it anywhere, literally, anywhere, everywhere, anytime. Even if you're kind of like walking to the tube station, walking up the escalators, take a moment just to practice this walking meditation. And literally all you're doing is you're finding your breath, and as you're walking, you're making that conscious commitment to breathe in. Step 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. So you're finding a way to breathe in, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Yeah, so you're walking and you're coordinating your in-breath with 3 steps, and you're coordinating your out-breath with 3 steps. Okay, so let's practice again. So you've just got off the tube, say off the tube, you're thinking, oh my God, the crowd. But you could just take a moment just to breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. So just consciously hear yourself saying, I breathe in, and take the steps that I breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. And just spend time during your day just consciously saying to yourself, I breathe in, and take step 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. There. How does that feel? Amazing, yeah? Excellent, good. And then like in between the pauses, the steps, take a moment just to notice how the mind feels. Check in with how am I breathing? Am I breathing? Check in with what you notice in the body. Does some part feel a bit looser? Maybe more aware of aches or pains? So it's just taking that time during your day just to pause and hopefully walk. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. Whoops, no, sorry. What are we doing? Lost my breath. And breathe in. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Well done, dear friends. Very proud of you. Well done. So find time during your day to, focus on your breath. Even walking down the hallway, just get inside the house, before you get into the kitchen or the dining room, just pause at the door, breathe in, breathe out, and take those 3 breaths with the steps. Have a wonderful day, and keep an eye out for my meditation for beginners book. It's been released tomorrow. Woo! Super excited. And I'm going to be sharing, as per usual, just continue sharing tips, techniques, little simple things you can do during your day just to find more calm, boost your energy, and have a wonderful day. Stay blessed, dear friends. Thanks for tuning in. Stay well. Namaste, and thank you. Pause. Well done. Cheers. Bye now.